A prominent supporter of XRP has emphasized the importance of the SEC v. Ripple decision for the cryptocurrency space since Bitwise used the decision to secure approval for their proposed Bitcoin spot ETF. What are the two main arguments in favor of the court rejecting the SEC's move to compel specific post-complaint discovery, even if Ripple has filed a resistance to the SEC's motion? Furthermore, with XRP currently trading at 55 cents, players in the cryptocurrency market are excited about the possibility that XRP can replicate the remarkable 75,000% trajectory seen in previous years. Last but not least, notable members of the XRP community have expressed concern at Ripple's president's ambiguous response to a question concerning XRP adoption in the wake of the XRP lawsuit victory. The Securities and Exchange Commission allowed several Bitcoin spot ETFs to trade in the U.S. more than a week ago. Asset managers Bitwise, ARK21 Shares, Valkyrie, Grayscale, and Fidelity Investments are among those whose applications for Bitcoin funds were accepted. A well-known member of the XRP community named Radhof Kahneman recently brought attention to Bitwise Bitcoin ETF prospectus, even though the SEC has cleared all Bitcoin spot ETFs. In the prospectus, the leading asset management referenced the SEC v. Ripple verdict in an attempt to secure approval for its Bitcoin ETF. To validate the development, the XRP community member attached a copy of Bitwise prospectus. Regulatory and enforcement scrutiny of digital assets has increased, Bitwise stated in its prospectus. It mentioned the SEC v. Ripple case's summary ruling in this regard as evidence of the increased examination of digital assets. Bitwise announced the Ripple ruling, stating that the U.S. District Court for the Southern District of New York determined that Ripple's sales of XRP to affluent institutional customers qualified as securities transactions. It did conclude, however, that XRP distribution to staff members and outside developers, as well as offers and sales of the cryptocurrency on online exchanges, did not qualify as securities. In response, Radhof Kahneman underlined the importance of the Ripple summary judgment for the cryptocurrency sector as a whole. Several legal experts have forecast that rulings on other crypto-related issues may be greatly impacted by the Ripple ruling. The Ripple verdict has already been used by Coinbase and Terraform Labs to support their claims that cryptocurrency assets do not qualify as securities. Even though Terra lost this legal battle, the judge in the Coinbase case hasn't made a ruling yet. In contrast to Coinbase and Terra, Bitwise did not reference the Ripple ruling in court. It simply brought up the decision in an attempt to win approval for its proposed Bitcoin spot ETF. It's interesting to note that the company was one of the asset managers who just got SEC approval to introduce Bitcoin spot ETFs. Remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about new developments about XRP. The well-known cryptocurrency payments startup XRP has responded to the SEC's move for compulsion with a document. The well-known cryptocurrency payment startup Ripple has responded to the SEC's move for compulsion. To put the SEC v. Ripple lawsuit in context, investors became interested in January 11th when the plaintiff filed a motion in a federal court in New York, requesting that Judge Sarah Netburn order Ripple to produce its audited financial statements for the years 2022 and 2023 as well as the contracts governing the company's sales of XRP to institutional investors, after the complaint was filed. In addition, since the SEC filed the lawsuit in December 2020, Ripple has been required to disclose the amount of money it has earned from institutional sales. Notably, the demands from the SEC are related to the ongoing dispute concerning remedies to ascertain the possible fine for Ripple's breach of securities laws when it sold XRP to institutional customers. The cryptocurrency payment startup Ripple requested a 2-day deadline extension to file a competent answer to the plaintiff's claims, even though Ripple was initially due to respond to the motion on January 17. Notably, Ripple has now submitted its response, rejecting the SEC's request to compel specific post-complaint findings. As usual, yesterday's development was revealed by seasoned crypto lawyer James K. Fillon. Ripple listed 2 grounds in a letter to U.S. District Magistrate Sarah Netburn yesterday for the judge to reject the SEC's move to compel. First, Ripple contended that the post-complaint requests from the SEC are premature. It stressed that throughout the fact discovery stage of the court battle, the securities regulator had ample time to request the post-complaint papers and interrogatories. Ripple stressed that the Commission lacks good cause to do so now because the SEC neglected to obtain the post-complaint information during the fact discovery. Notably, on August 31, 2021, the SEC v. Ripple case's fact discovery phase came to a finish. Moreover, Ripple contended that the parties have already engaged in litigation on the appropriateness of post-complaint discovery in the course of fact-finding. During that period, the corporation asserted, the SEC maintained its stance that post-complaint discovery had no bearing whatsoever on the litigation. It further stated, the SEC should not be allowed to change course at this time. Second, Ripple maintained that the post-complaint requests made by the SEC are unimportant. Ripple claims that the court's decision about the remedies case will not be impacted by the post-complaint data that the SEC is requesting. The SEC has exhausted all of its interrogatories in this case and cannot unilaterally grant itself more, Ripple continued. This specifically relates to the SEC's interrogatory. Magistrate Sarah Nedburn will have the last word on whether or not to approve the SEC's requests, even in the face of objections from Ripple. The ruling's official date is unknown. On February 12, 2024, the end of the remedies-related discovery process, the court is likely to decide on the subject before then. Moreover, recently, on X, a cryptocurrency analyst predicted that if past trends continue, XRP may be valued at $353 in a recent post on X. An analyst said that if past trends continue, XRP may be valued $353. The basis of the positive view, according to the expert, is the expectation that XRP would break out of a multi-year symmetrical triangle. He brought up the 61,000% spike in XRP that was seen 6 years prior. Based on it, the analyst projects that the pattern will recur and puts a possible future value of $353. On-chain data, however, indicated that XRP had experienced an even more audacious percentage gain over 2017 and 2018. Notably, the leading XRP symmetrical triangle developed following a decrease in the asset from its December 2013 peak of 6 cents. The asset saw 7 straight months of losses at this time, which culminated in a fall to $0.003 by June 2014. Interestingly, a breakout from the triangle did not occur until October 2014, resulting in an astounding 600% gain. XRP reached its top in December 2014 at 2 cents after the surge. Then, there was another dip in the price of the cryptocurrency, which resulted in the creation of a second, longer-lasting symmetrical triangle. However, in February 2017, XRP was able to complete the second triangular formation. Then there was another breakout, which started a rally that lasted for a whole year. In January 2018, XRP reached an all-time high of $3.84. Based on XRP's price of $0.005 in February 2017, it can be inferred that the asset saw a remarkable increase of almost 75,000%, reaching a peak of $3.84 in 2018. In the meantime, bears put a lot of pressure on XRP after the strong move to $3.84, creating the third and fourth symmetrical triangles. Still, other analysts think that XRP is nearing the end of this fourth symmetrical triangle, with a few months to go. The analysts have predicted values for XRP ranging from $5 to $89. They have done this by utilizing the upcoming breaking out of the fourth symmetrical triangle. Since XRP hasn't exceeded its record high of $3.84 from 2018, which was reached via an incredible 75,000% increase, a repeat of that kind of phenomenal growth rate may indicate that the asset, with XRP currently at 55 cents, may be worth $411 in the future. In the end, it is unclear how the price of XRP will move in the upcoming months. What is the president of Ripple thinking about XRP adoption after the lawsuit? The main query of the day is this: what does the president of Ripple have to say about XRP adoption after the lawsuit? Remember to click the notification bell and subscribe to our channel if you want to be the first to know about new developments about XRP. Monica Long, the president of Ripple, was asked a crucial question in a recent interview with the Chain Reaction Pod about the ramifications of the U.S. court decision that categorized XRP as not being a security for ordinary investors. But rather than enlightening many members of the XRP community, her response to the question has confused them. Specifically, Long's statement did not provide a firm confirmation of a favorable effect when asked if the court decision had encouraged a greater uptake of XRP. She attributed the market's more stable trendline to speculation throughout the previous few months. Therefore, in her opinion, the cryptocurrency market has shown a more cohesive trend than one that is exclusive to XRP. Based on speculation and excitement about ETFs, Monica Long stated, "I've observed a more consistent trendline of the market moving together over the past several months. As a result, the market has been evolving more cohesively rather than in silos." The president of Ripple's statement caused a stir among the XRP community. The well-known XRP figure Radhof Kahneman noted that although the question was about adoption, the reaction tended to be more price-focused than adoption-related. Consequently, he claimed that her answer was a courteous no, since it did not express agreement or confirmation. In a similar vein, Long's statement worried Yasin Mubarak, the founder of Dizzer Capital. He emphasized that the main problem is that there isn't a clear solution. This is a basic question, and the fact that Monica Long could not provide a clear yes answer is concerning, said Mubarak. Mubarak, in the meantime, decided to infer two things from Long's reply. First of all, he asserted that despite regulatory clarity around XRP, the U.S. market continues to provide a serious obstacle for Ripple. Second, he suggested that Ripple's efforts could not be the only factor in XRP's adoption and future price increase. Rather, the key components would be the projects and use cases like Xspectre, Evernode, and hooks that expand upon the XRP ledger. Now, please share your opinions with me in the comments section. Verify that you enjoy the video, and don't forget to click the notification bell and subscribe. This is a huge assistance for the YouTube algorithm. Additionally, by forwarding this video to as many people as you can aid in enlightening others in the same way that you have been enlightened. Guys, let's spread this word far and wide. If you truly love cryptocurrencies, make sure to read all of our material. I'll see you tomorrow to discuss the most recent news that affects our community as a whole.